All right, folks, I am going to walk you through the enrollment process for Gizmos. We're also going to do this in class, but I wanted to have this video tutorial available for you so that we can send this to you in an email, or you can look at it some other place to remind you of how to set up in here. Once we take you to the Gizmo site, that will be the Explore Learning link. Then we will, you'll just click on log and enroll right here. Then you will enter the class code that you have been given. Now, if I sent you an email to be a part of my class, the Aardvarks, then you'll have a class code from me down here. If you are in Miss Allard's class, then she sent you an email with a class code for there. If you need to be reminded of what that class code is, please just ask your teacher. I'm sure that Mrs. Allard or Mrs. Cummings will also supply that class code in class so that you will know what that is. When you put the class code in there, you're just going to click on Enroll in Class, and it's going to take you to this screen right here. Now, if you're in my class, then it's going to say here, enroll in the Aardvarks. If you have accidentally entered the wrong code, just click up here on this button where it says wrong class, and it will take you back one page to put a different code in there. But I wanted to make sure that you guys know when you get to this page, you're going to need to click on the green box. Click on this green arrow over here that says, I need to create an Explore Learning account. Even if you have had another Explore Learning account, another Gizmo account at another school, or if you had one last year, we want you enrolled in our class. So you're going to click on that green box. The next page is just going to simply ask you to go ahead and put in your first and last name. The email is unnecessary. It says right here, not required for students. And then you will be able to use your own username and password. You'll be able to set that up. Just choose something that you can remember easily. The password has to be at least 6 characters, and then you'll be asked to confirm your password. So put those in there. It says it must not include any special characters. Please use your TOPS name as it's listed in TOPS, because that will make it easier for us to find you in our roster of students. Okay, so after you put the first and last name, your username and password, confirm that password, and it's going to take you to submit. And this is just an example I put in here. Johnny Smart Student with his username of me the best, and I put in a password of 123456. Right, and then I confirm that, and then I hit submit. So that's all you have to do to get set up in Gizmos, guys. Every single student is going to need to be signed up in here and have your account. So this will walk you through it. We will go through this in class, but I also want you to have this tutorial if you need additional step-by-step to get you signed up in Gizmos. So we'll give you the Explore Learning website, and we will also give you your class code. So just check with your teacher, be listening in the Class Connects, and you are going to get set up. So glad to have you with us, guys.